Mom's birthday is coming soon.
What gift should we make? This candle is boring.
The laptop shows simple gifts.
Mom has many mugs. We need glue. Oh no, it is empty. I feel tired.
The table is very messy.
Maybe it is under here.
The TV turns on. A dark moon appears.
I feel scared. It is just TV.
The TV turns off.
I feel better. Are you okay? Yes, I am.
Are you kids okay?
I made hot tea.
Thank you, Mom.
This night is calm. I like the moon.
Moonlight fills the room.
Soft piano starts slowly.
Mom looks sad.
Very clean and simple melody.
The moon is bright.
Light lo-fi beat enters.
Clouds cover the moon.
Piano plus guitar repeat gently.
The room is darker.
Volume. No melody changes.
It is dark again.
Shot slightly opens. Still calm and
Do you feel scared?
no emotion.
A little. I feel safe now.
Instruments fade one by one.
This photo is old.
Piano ends softly.
It shows Mom as a child.
My mom loved the moon.
I have an idea. What idea? The moon. Oh, the moon. Let's make one. That is great. Are you ready? Yes. I take my jacket. I wear my shoes.
The porch light turns on. The door opens slowly. The street is quiet.
It is very dark. Come with me. Okay, Tom.
The light is small. The night feels deep.
I feel scared again. I am here. I am scared. It is okay.
The wind moves trees.
Please wait. I will wait. I have something. A flashlight.
The light shines bright.
I feel brave now.
They see glowing balloons. They shine softly.
So pretty. So bright.
Look at thee.
Let's take more.
The balloons float.
I feel happy. Let's go home. Yes, hurry.
Dad sees the light.
What is that? I understand now.
The lights glow more.
I can fix this. Good job, kids.
The kids come back.
Put it here. Wow, a moon. VNBN McNH.
The yard is bright.
Wow. It is beautiful.
They made it.
Do you like it? Yes, I do.
Thank you, kids.
The moon floats above.
I love this gift.
We love you, Mom.
Thank you.
I am proud.
The balloons rise up. The family stands together.